Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to create a stunning dash away animation from any photo using DreamFace. It's super easy, totally beginner friendly, and you can do it right from your phone. Okay, let's get started. First, just open the DreamFace app. If you don't already have it, just go to Google Play Store and then just download it and then just install it. And once it's installed, just open the app and log in with your Google account. And don't worry, DreamFace actually gives you a free package with weekly credits, so you can try these effects without spending a cent. Now that you're inside the app, let's try. You will land on the home page like this, and then just tap on Magic Effects. This is where all the fun visual effects are. Just scroll to the list and until you find the effect called Dash Me Away. This one, just tap on it. This is the one that will transform your photo into a dramatic disappearing dash animations. So just select your photo. It can be a portrait, a selfie, or even a creative shot. Just make sure the subject is clear so the effect looks its best. Just tap on plus button and then just select your photo. And once everything's set, just tap on create. And okay, just like this, your photo just transformed into an awesome dust animations, almost like a movie effects. Next, if you want to download it, just tap on the download button and then just share it directly to your social media platform like TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Short. And okay, that's it. Super quick and super fun to create a dust animation from your photo. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!